Shameless thief gets stopped in her tracks. Police officers catch a shoplifter in the act, say and move in quickly to make the arrest. The suspect, a woman, is stopped as she tries to leave the store.
Stop right there! Stop right there! Hey, we can do this all day. Get down. Get down.
I'm a former cop. Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay. I didn't do anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen to him. I didn't do anything. Who cares?
Put your hands.
Put your hands behind your back.
All right, go ahead, stand up. I told you to stop.
I didn't do anything.
I told you to stop. That's good enough.
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
I don't know why you're chasing me.
Yeah, you know why.
I have nothing.
Yes. But you've stolen here in the past.
No, I have not.
You got ID on you?
No.
I'll give you one chance to give me your real name and date of birth.
Okay.
If you lie, I'm going to charge you with a felony.
I'm not gonna lie.
This way I'll relocate my vehicle.
Sure. Probably have to move mine as well.
Yeah.
The woman is then taken to the loss prevention office where security personnel begin questioning her. She
won't give up where the lookout is.
Well, she can go to jail by herself. Okay. Are you security?
Yep.
All right.
I'm assuming this is the correct person, correct? Absolutely. Very good.
I don't have anything.
Yeah, I'll just walk inside the office.
Okay. You good with that? Let me move my car.
Yeah.
Okay. If we're doing a marking positive ID from our security, then we're going to walk her inside and figure this out.
Positive ID from security and the license right now.
That one.
Do you have my phone?
Yep. We'll slide through this one. You ever been arrested before? First time?
I'll go with you.
All right. And you've never been arrested before?
Not feeling as good as this.
I said, have you ever been arrested before? Well, you just said not for anything like this. So would you lead me to believe that you've been arrested before?
Well, I had an incident where I got caught with a substance, but I did the court and it's off my record.
That's the same report.
Okay, but you were arrested.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
There goes that one here.
They eventually learn that she has a prior arrest for possession of narcotics.
Oh, yeah.
How'd you get here?
I had a ride.
By who?
My friend didn't know what I was doing. And then they were gone when I went out there, so.
What's that?
So they were gone when I went out there, so.
Yeah, they probably saw us pulling in. They called you, so you put all the stuff back that you were concealing, and then thought you were just going to randomly walk out like a regular
I
customer.
wasn't concealing.
I mean, you know, nowadays, all these stores got video cameras.
Can I pull my pants up?
What's that?
Can I pull my pants up?
Sure.
Yeah, but nothing was concealed on her person.
No, correct. That's what
I'm
yeah,
trying.
Yeah, she usually does. This time, she did not.
Yeah, well, she saw us.
Yeah.
Her friends in the car on the parking lot saw us.
Said I don't know where they went.
Yeah, okay, let's
Anywhere
do it.
but here.
So now you're stuck here. Good friend. This is all like high-end like Nike stuff?
Yep. Nikes and Adidas. Yeah, it's our expensive items. Yeah.
Yeah, she did a nice tackle.
Oh yeah.
Would it mean that you said I could get processed while you were here?
Oh, at our station.
Yep.
What does that mean?
Fingerprints
So he
photograph.
pulls up,
Oh.
She gets the phone call.
And then if it's just
I
a
pull up on the
misdemeanor,
north side, she
you'll
takes
be
off
released on your
Just leave
signature.
her plate.
Oh yeah.
Court
She
date.
runs and then she circles back this way. Well, this lady in the minivan, here she comes. The lady in the minivan gets out and she sits her down. Holy cow. And pushes.
And now I know what I'm getting charged with.
We'll talk with the lieutenant and explain the circumstances, and they'll decide if, depending upon dollar amount, if you're going to get charged with a felony.
As the officers prepare to transport her to the station, they walk her through the next steps of the process, explaining what will happen upon her arrival and outlining the charges she faces.
Previous incident, that's all we got, since all the merchandise is left behind.
And then-
Positively, I'd use it from that incident in December.
Yep. That's
Then today for obstructing.
They have it. I mean,
Yeah, so we'll do
I can
a
make
new
copies of it
police
for you,
report for the
but
obstructing and process her on the retail theft from December.
everything that she took.
And she'll be going to county because it's a felony one. So
Oh no, that's fine. That's fine.
I'm gonna say the someone else.
that'll be it.
Yeah, here you go.
So I'll get going down to the station.
And I'll just meet you.
I'm trying to think I can send you another one.
You want to look these over again? or-
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm just.
The other photo you had was much better.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh yeah, I can print them out again for you guys if you want.
Hey, please, let's not be all
I'm
right?
not doing anything.
No, you try pulling away.
You're squeezing my arm.
I'm not squeezing your arm. I'm holding you so you don't run away.
I didn't go anywhere.
Yeah, because I was holding on to you.
Exactly.
Yeah, because you tried to pull away to escape.
No, these are so tight.
They're not made for comfort. Sit back so I can put the seatbelt in.
I can't put it back.
Let's not make things worse for yourself.
I'm not trying to. This
You are.
hurts.
The woman now faces charges for retail theft, burglary, and obstruction.